Over the years, it's become more than a tradition. Each year, Manufacturing Day unites students eager to explore, educators who spark curiosity, and industry leaders who generously open their doors.
It's so encouraging to see so many young people that are interested and excited about what the possibilities are in manufacturing, because manufacturing ain't like it used to be. It's advanced manufacturing, it's robotics, it's all kinds of skilled trades, and you can get a really good job like this.
I'm so proud of each and every single one of you. This gets recognized in the White House, what you are doing here today. Together, we're gonna go forward, we're gonna do some neat stuff, and I am gonna sing your praises. Thank you all so very much.
This is the second year we're hosting Manufacturing Day here at Barron Industries. And we believe that Manufacturing Day is an important event because it introduces young people to the manufacturing industry. We love having the students here at Barron because they can see firsthand how to make a metal part from start to finish, starting with design, to pouring the metal, to machining the metal, to testing the metal and shipping it out.
The coolest thing I saw today was probably the casting and seeing red hot metal get poured into molds and then cooling. It was really cool to see all that. So this is an industry that I'm actually interested in, working with aerospace and defense parts and things like that.